Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia D'Silva. Welcome back to my channel. I know I promised I would be uploading more videos, but I had some personal issues, so I couldn't really upload a video, even one last week. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a watercolor block. A watercolor block is something that is much better preferred to watercolor paper, because once you use a lot of water to paint on it, you don't need to worry about warping. Watercolor paper usually warps. Even though it is of very high GSM, you still see that it will warp when you use a lot of water. So to avoid that, it's best to paint on watercolor blocks, and then once it dries, it goes back to its normal form, and then you can remove the paper off from the block. So this is what a watercolor block looks like. It's nothing but watercolor paper which is stuck together and it looks like a block. When I first painted on this, I didn't know how to remove the single paper from the block, and I almost ended up damaging my watercolor painting. So I'm going to show you how to remove your single painted paper once it's dried from this block. So this is what the watercolor block looks like from the side. You have to slowly remove one corner. Use an Xacto knife. I'm using an alpha knife. And slowly go through the edges. Make sure you don't tear any page. Do this really slowly. It also depends on the quality of the paper. A hot pressed paper watercolor block will easily come off with the blade, but with a cold pressed paper you have to be really careful to make sure you don't tear. Just go through one entire side like that, and when it comes to the corner, carefully turn it and then get started from there again. Slowly remove that side, and at the end of each side be very careful not to hurt yourself. Slowly remove it like this, then turn it, and then slowly try to get it in and do the other side as well. It's just as easy. Don't try this for the first time on a commission piece. Make one sample piece and then try this out for your first time. So if you have any questions, you can mention them in the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I also have a Patreon channel which I started this month. You can go ahead and check that out. You have lots of real-time videos of the time-lapse videos that I upload on YouTube, and also some tutorials from which you'll get to learn loads. It's all only for $4 a month, so do check that out if you're interested. Thank you for watching.